Oh my goodness, guys. We are sitting in a Lamborghini. We are sitting in a Lamborghini Aventador. We are sitting in a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. A super expensive and probably one of the most thrilling cars out on the market. Guys, just look in the back there. You can see that engine under this extremely special engine cover. And also those seats here. Everything else inside is with pure carbon fiber. Oh my goodness. That is simply amazing. So let's now start on our first round here. First of all, we have to get out of those narrow northern Italian roads. We are very close to the Swiss border. The Alps are right there. Matterhorn is very close to us. And yeah, it's always hard to find a good road here. But surprisingly, this Aventador is pretty, the SVJ even, is pretty everyday usable. I mean, the ride comfort is okay. I would not expect it in this super hardcore version. And also sound is, if you're on Strada, it's okay. Sport is a bit more, but you actually have to rev it, that it gets really, really loud. At normal speeds, a very gentle car, despite that extreme exterior. Oh yes, there the V12 comes to life. And this super slow but very emotional single clutch transmission here. Approaching a main road at least. Be careful not to scratch the very low front of this car. Listen to a bit of that V12. Oh, look at those mountains. That is really, really nice. There's a tunnel coming up. I think we all need to enjoy that, don't we?